Did you know this tool exists? Do you know what this tool is for? I'll give you a hint. Can anybody tell me what this is used for? I'll give you another hint. So this tool, you gotta have this if you work on flushometers. You absolutely have to have this. I think you can use other tools like this and like that guy, but this is specifically made for this particular scenario. So look into this flushometer. See those little notches? See the little notches in there? So this goes right in here, and it grips the little tube here on the inside. This little tube threads into this flushometer, and the reason you need this is because this is a 2-inch tube and they make 4-inch tubes, and I'm installing a new flushometer and I need a 4-inch tube. So I gotta take this tool on the new flushometer and thread this out and put in a new one. And these can get really hard to take out. So it has this 1/2-inch impact. So let's try it right now. This is the old one. Okay. So you got to support the valve. I'm going to try it by holding it, but I don't know if that's going to work. Well, tore those things right out. Not good. Let me get the other one. Okay, here's the other old one. I'm replacing 2 of them today. These little notches are much more robust. But notice the difference in the length here. See how much longer that is than the other one? Right like that. Little note, put this guy on number 1. I had it on 3 on the other one. It was just too much torque. So this is what I'm after right here. Okay, this is a new one that I just installed. It's brand new all the way down to the spud. Everything's new. Everything. So, as you can see, the distance right here. So here's the new one. Got a little tape and dope on it. Don't forget. Don't forget that. Now, I personally wouldn't recommend using this to tighten this. Or sorry. I wouldn't recommend using the impact or the thing I used, whatever you want to call that. I wouldn't use that when tightening this. I would use one of these. And just tighten it by hand. Because it's really hard to tell how tight you're getting this when using the power tool. I just call them impacts. What are they called? I think that's the right terminology. Impact, right? I think that's what they're called. If you notice the other ones, you can't see any threads going into the flushometer. So you really got to get these pretty tight. But then once that's tightened up, wipe it down, obviously, and then that's pretty much it. This is just a rigid ratchet, 1/2 inch. Okay, right like that. Can't see any threads. And now this fits perfect. We're gonna put a new stop on here. This was done a couple months ago, maybe, I don't know. 6 months ago. So this is fine, but the stop was leaking. So, and these are 25, not this, because I just did this, but the old flushometer and the stop are original to this building, which was built in 2002, I believe. So, that's it. There you go.